Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. We've got some really cool TRXs we've just done some builds on. So this is a father and son TRX combo. Very similar packages, so we'll do a walk around. As you can see, sitting a bit higher, so we are running 37-inch Nitto tyres on a set of double black Method wheels with our 2-inch lift kit. So this has a 2-inch lift front and rear, as well as the diff drop from OnTrack, which is a really cool bit of gear. It is running our TRX long travel airbags in the back to match the lift, and to give them the ability when they're towing their caravans or gear in the back, they can inflate them. It is running air onboard wireless control system for the airbags, and it does have our TRX rear airbag, rear compressor kit under the spare wheel, which houses an ARB twin and I think it's a 4-litre air tank from ARB. This just keeps it really clean and tidy. So on the front, this truck is running the Stealth ADD bar with the 40-inch Baja light and the little squadrons in there for fog lights. He has opted for the winch option, so Stealth bar does give you the provisions for a winch, so we're running a carbon 12,000 pound. This truck over here, near identical, except he is running the pillar light kit from Baja, which is really good for going down trails. You can focus them in and out. And I think it looks awesome, gives that whole Baja race look. On the front, he is running the bomber bar from ADD, so this one is different from that. It does have the 3 LP6s as well as the squadrons. Now these trucks both also have our dual battery kit behind the back seat. So it's 100 amp hour lithium with cigarette lighters and Edison plugs throughout the vehicle. So if you're in the market with some TRX parts, give us a buzz. We've got quite a good range these days.